INFOOD Propane Camping Stove, 20,000 BTU, power, portability and performance for every outdoor adventure. There are features include: cooking outdoors just got easier and more enjoyable with the dual-burner propane camping stove, designed for travelers who value efficiency, durability, and portability. Weighing only 4.1 pounds or 1.9 kilograms, when packed in its convenient carry bag, this compact stove folds down in seconds, making it the perfect companion for camping trips, hiking adventures, picnics, or even spontaneous backyard cookouts. Its lightweight structure allows for quick setup and effortless transport, giving you more freedom to explore while still enjoying freshly prepared meals wherever you go. With two powerful burners offering independent flame control, this stove delivers an impressive 10,000 BTU per burner, providing a total of 20,000 BTU of heat. Whether you're boiling a liter of water in just 3 minutes or searing a juicy steak to perfection, the precise flame adjustment ensures efficient fuel usage and versatile cooking options. You can prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, ideal for family trips or group camping. Built from 304 stainless steel, this camping stove offers exceptional rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term durability even in challenging outdoor conditions. Its removable grill racks simplify cleaning, just wipe with a damp cloth, and it's ready for the next adventure. Safety and convenience are at the forefront of its design. The Piezo electric ignition system allows for quick, match-free lighting. Simply twist the knob, and the burners ignite instantly, eliminating the hassle of carrying lighters or matches. This one-handed operation ensures a safer and faster cooking process. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a weekend warrior, or a backyard barbecue enthusiast, this propane stove delivers reliability and style in one sleek package. It's not just a tool, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves the outdoors, blending practicality with performance to turn every meal into a memorable experience under the open sky. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.